Here's one way to move logs into position for the sawmill. I backed up and shoved them over because if I would have pushed them, they would have ran right into the mill. I already pushed the firewood logs out of the way. And just give her. Push them a little more. Not quite in line with where I want. Yeah, sure, it's going to put a lot of dirt and bark in the ends, but at least they're in a position that I can work with them now. There we go. Sorry for the fingers in the way. I'm trying to do this one-handed. That's one way to do it. That was a little bouncy. Now I'll finish the rest of the work. Enough tilt down on that. I'm gonna have to tilt it down even more. So what I have to do is set to rip out a 6-inch trench with the bucket. It's nice to have this cab, that's for sure. Got that one dead tree out of the way. Let's see if I can smooth some of this out. Nope. Not enough down curl in the bucket. This should work. Yeah, finally got that one. Play on one of these all day. To scrape some off. Oh, that was a big divot. That's I hate. You either, unless you're really good, you're either going to take out too little or too much. See how this goes here. Sorry for the video bouncing around, folks, but I just don't. I'm trying to stop before I feel a big drop off. There shouldn't be one. Okay, now to try to my hand at fine-tuning this stuff. What I did out here was I knocked down that hump so you could have another driveway or a better access for a log truck to back in here if you can't get back there for some reason. So you can back in here a little smoother so you don't have a big hump. I got the van stuck there my first winter here, driving in and out, and I took a little too much off the top here in this spot, so I'm gonna have to fix that. And right behind that tree there is my address number, so I would go up there, but you'd see my address number then. But I filled in the one hole there for the lawn tractor, so that's another spot for a log truck to come in. I mean, mainly the very corner of this very edge of the driveway, there's a big steep drop. It's like a foot. You know, if you slid off there in the winter, you would be stuck. So I took care of that. I got one more to go over there. A bucket or two of digging out, and I should have that one fixed. What do I think, folks, of running the backhoe for yourself instead of hiring it? It's worth it. Now you get the experience, you get a better understanding of the appreciation of what the people go through. One of my older videos, I sunk the semi-truck to the front axle when I was trying to go back and forth, pack it down in here. It sunk it down to the steer axle, so they're 1 foot hole, so I grabbed the bucket and dumped some dirt, and I just got to try to fine-tune it. And what do I think of, really think of renting a backhoe? It's definitely worth it if it's just for like a 2-day job and you're done. But if you're going to be continuously doing a lot of projects, I would recommend getting your own loader backhoe. One like this with the Extend-A-Hoe. I don't know if they would have working heat and air conditioning, but those used like 1988, 89 backhoes with the Extend-A-Hoe are like 18 to 20,000. With four-wheel drive. So yeah, you're going to be spending some money if you get that kind. Otherwise, you can look on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. You can get 2-wheel drive backhoes for less than 10 grand. If you get one really old, like a Ford 850 or 800 series base loader backhoe, you can less than 4,000. So, but yeah, it is too soft a risk of going through there to get all the other stumps in there, but those aren't really in the way. It's all these ones that were in the driveway here and in the back where I put the driveway way back there. So until next time, folks, take care. Have a good day.